Sometimes the content of some of our pages is so good that we're sure it would go great as a product. That's why we want to show you how to convert thousands of pages into WooCommerce products in seconds using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type spreadsheet. With this plugin, you can edit thousands of WordPress posts or pages in seconds. Also, you can edit all post types generated by other plugins. For example, you can edit posts from plugins such as Forum, LearnPress, WordPress Download Manager, etc. You can download it using the link in the description of this video. To convert your WordPress pages into WooCommerce products, you just need to open the spreadsheet by going to WP Sheet Editor, Edit Pages. Your pages will be loaded on the spreadsheet as rows, and all their fields will be loaded as columns. The fastest way to convert pages into products is to do it individually. For that, go to the Post Type column and select Product as the new post type. Do that in all the pages you want and then click on Save. Now you can see that the pages will appear as products. Let's see now how to convert thousands of pages into products. For that, open the Bulk Edit tool. You can convert all pages into products or select specific pages. You can filter them by keyword, status, author, or parent. Once you select the filter to apply, click on Search. Now you need to select Post Type, Set Value, Product, and Execute. With these simple steps, all the selected pages will be converted into products. The Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type spreadsheet plugin aims to simplify your life by allowing you to edit thousands of pages on the spreadsheet or using the bulk edit. You can download it using the link in the description. Also, you can visit our blog to find hundreds of tutorials, and subscribe for more tutorials.